Thank you, Reggie. Meron. Thank you.
It's not your fault that they have a, I mean, no disrespect, it's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. Everybody wants to take that's right.
You have X? What X? What's that? Thank you. Hi. Good morning. Pumidikit yung lashes ko sa baba. Parang ako masabit siya, guys. Morning, Ben. Guys, do you have, music request? Morning.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to you. Right. Let me talk to him. Come on, shout out them apple bottom.
Hi. Black Sheep. Kyla Kush po. Yes, I'm single. Rix. Ayan o, guys, nakapin. Read nyo yung na sticker. Read the sticker. After this. Nakapin na nga eh. It's already pinned. I mean, it's already, in the sticker. Para, diba? Baby mo. Hi, Junior. I'm 25. Thanks, good afternoon. Kyla Kush po ang FB ko. Same as my username. Naka-sticker na nga, guys. What can you offer first? Hi, Aaron. Ba't ikaw ang dapat kong piliin? Ako, sobrang tumal ko ngayon, Mr. Mojo Joshua. Tignan mo kanina, nag-live ako 3 hours. Oh, pero kay Daiki ko to nalaman eh. Ngayon, pa 58 pa rin ako. Sobrang dulo. Grabe. Hi, Ramin. Iman.